Duluth is blessed with having 3 jewels of natural freshwater resources. Everybody knows Lake Superior. A lot of people know the St. Louis River estuary, but not as many people understand that we do have 16 cold water trout streams that flow down through the city. Right now we're on Enger Municipal Golf Course and we're on Buckingham Creek.
It's a one-of-a-kind resource. It has the coldest water of any of the trout streams in Duluth.
There are groundwater springs along the forested margins of the fairways in Enger Park Golf Course that provide very cold water. It has a native brook trout population.
Unfortunately, over time, it's been highly manipulated, with the result being that this trout stream no longer functions as a trout stream.
Buckingham Creek was inadvertently damaged back in the 1980s when the city renovated the golf course. Our need to renovate the golf course again today is an opportunity to repair that damage and to implement further enhancements on top of that.
A lot of partners have come together to plan for how we're going to restore these trout streams, improve them so people can appreciate them and enjoy them.
Duluth, over time, has come to appreciate how unique and precious our cold water trout streams are. I think in the 80s, we made an error in a different, less enlightened time, and this is an opportunity to correct that.
The City of Duluth was interested in making some improvements to their irrigation system, and so DNR Fisheries worked with the City of Duluth to try to address some of the concerns related to warm water and connectivity issues.
We basically had to create a new healthy stream channel from scratch. What we're really trying to do is kind of set the table for the stream, give it the form that it needs so that the natural processes that can maintain this ecosystem over time are returned. Because right now those natural processes are completely disrupted.
So that means re-meandering it out of the ditches, getting rid of the ponds and the dams that were placed on the stream, and restoring the stream to what it used to be.
Golf courses aren't just, environmental hazard. They're a positive to the community. It's a diverse ecosystem with trout, with deer, with bear. It's been that way for many years, only bringing it back to the way it used to be.
Prior to the implementation of this project, we moved over 150 brook trout. We used stream electrofishing techniques and moved them to areas of the stream that are not going to be impacted during construction activities.
We can't do any of this work unless we partner with the City of Duluth, because this is all property of the City of Duluth. So we have to have a strong and vital partnership with the city.
The interagency relationships that we have here in Duluth are so special, so uniquely productive, founded on decades of close personal collaboration.
We end up securing money from the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. So we've been very effective at getting the support of the federal funders and the US EPA and other federal agencies. The next step is you like to match that money with state funding. We have applied Minnesota's Legacy Amendment, the Outdoor Heritage Fund, and the Conservation Partners Legacy Fund to complete this project. So we coupled together federal funds with state funds to do these projects.
People hike it, fish it. I have 2 little boys, and we love going down to the cold water creek behind our house and catching brook trout and just playing in the creek. Those are the kinds of experiences that really contribute to the quality of life in Duluth.